Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be installing a wig from Ashimary Hair. Inside the package, I received a wig cap, some lashes, a razor, elastic band, and an edge brush. The wig that I received is a 250% density 26-inch 5x5 closure wig. As you guys can see, the knots on the wig are super small, so they were easy to bleach, and the wig is super full. This is what the wig looks like after I bleached and plucked the knots, and this is how it looks on my client's head. As you guys can see, this wig comes with a green line across the hairline. So I did pluck enough so that when I cut it off, the hairline still looks realistic. For each install, I use 3 layers of glue, and as soon as the first layer is finished drying, I immediately place the second layer on so that the glue can still remain tacky. If you wait too long to apply the next layer of glue, this will cause the lace not to stick properly. For this install, I didn't place any makeup inside of my client's wig because the makeup that I used, Ruby Kiss Cream Foundation, doesn't have a very light foundation that matches my client's skin complexion. Right now, I'm just placing makeup on top of where the cap starts so it won't be as visible. For these baby hairs, I want them to look as natural as possible, so I'm cutting them super short and I won't do as big of a swoop. For the baby hairs, I'm using Got To Be Glue gel, the black one, and Cream of Nature mousse. Before I hot comb the wig, I used some bio silk and placed it on top of the hair that I'll be hot combing to give it a sleek and shiny look. Once you're finished hot combing all that needs to be hot combed, you're going to use an angled brush and a makeup closer to your client's skin complexion to make the part look sharp. This is the end of the video and the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Continue watching for another clip of the finished look.